friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make beautiful Yashodama with little Krishna. Yashodama is making butter and cute little Krishna is eating butter. It is very easy to make, so without any delay, let's get started. Now join 5 mm, 3 mm, 25 strips and make a 2 tight coils of 5 mm and 3 mm and make a little dome shape and press it with the Fevicol bottle to make stiff. Now apply glue around the dome of 2 domes. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes. Here I am making base body of Yashodama. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 7 mm 4 strips and make a big cone. Here I am making legs for Yashodama. Make another leg also. Apply glue inside the cone. Apply neatly with the help of brush. Spread it neatly. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect cones to the base cone like this. Base dome. Connect one by one. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. It will be the legs for my Yashoda. Now again join 5 mm 1 strip and make a cone shape and press it little bit like this as shown in the video. Apply glue inside the cone. Now take a 5 mm paper strip and just wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making fingers. It is very easy to make method for making fingers. Apply glue and close it. Just cut the edges and insert inside the cone like this. It will be the finger. Foot is ready now. Now take a green color piece of paper and make designs on that paper and make pleats like this. It will looking super cute. It will be the gagra for the Ma Yashoda. Now rotate around this base dome like this. Apply glue and paste it like this to the coil, and I have attached foot also for the legs. For join 7 mm 30 strips for making stand. It will be the stand for Yashodama. Now here I am making base body. Join 3 mm and 5 mm 25 strips and make a 2 tight coils and make a bigger dome. Now apply glue. Let it dry for some time. Repeat same procedure for 3 mm tight coil also. Make little small dome for 3 mm. Now again join. Now connect the two domes after drying. Now apply glue. Join 5 mm 2 strips for making neck and connect tight coil to the base body. Now again join 10 mm 20 strips for making stomach part. Now the base body is ready. Now apply glue and connect this base body to the base dome shape like this. Now the base body is ready for the Yashodama. It is looking super cute. Here I am making North Indian style. Now take a red color piece of paper and make designs and make small pleats as a chunni. Dupatta for the Ma Yashoda. It will be the dupatta for Ma Yashodama. Now connect like this. Apply glue and connect like this. After connecting, it will be like this in a North Indian style. Now again join 5 mm 1½ strips. Here I am making hands for Ma Yashodama. Now again join 5 mm 1½ strip and make little dome shape as shown in the video like this. Now take another 5 mm 1½ strip and make a cone shape like this. Little bit cone shape. Now apply glue inside the 3 cones. Spread neatly with the help of brush and apply glue neatly inside the cones. Apply neatly. Now palm is also ready. Join 3 mm 1½ strip for making palm. Now connect the hands, upper hand with the lower hand like this in the hand position. Make total 2, and I have attached bangles and palm to the hands. For palm, join 3 mm 1½ strip. Now connect hands to the base idol. Now I have attached ball chains for making jewelry part. I have made designs with the fabric liner. Now here I am making face. Join 5 mm and 3 mm 9 strips. 5 mm for the skin color and 3 mm for the black color and make a dome shape. Here I am making face for the Ma Yashodama. Now apply glue inside the dome. make little dome for black color. It will be the head part. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the two domes like this as shown in the video. My one shape length is 28 cm. For things in the checking description box below, connect like this. Now the face is ready. Now connect nose. For making nose, just take a 5mm paper strip and fold it to half and cut it. It will give a nose shape. For making ears, join 2mm 1/5 strip and connect the ears like this. Now here I am making koppu, join 3mm 2 strips and make a hair for the Ma Yashoda and make a small dome. And I have made facial expression on the face and I have attached jewelry for the Ma Yashoda. Now koppu is dried. Attach hair on the back side of the face of Yashoda Ma like this. Now the face is ready. It is looking super cute. Now let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the face to the base ID like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. After drying, it will be like this. Now the face is ready. Now here I am making chunni. Just take a regular paper and make designs and connect like this. Apply glue and connect like this. It will be the chunni part. Now Yashoda Ma is ready. Now join 5mm 35 strips. Here I am making pot for now again join 5mm 20 strips and make a dome shape like this as shown in the video. Now again join 5mm 15 strips and make a dome shape little bit. Apply glue inside the domes like this as shown in the video. Here I am making big fort where Yashoda Ma makes butter. Now apply glue inside the dome neatly. Spread it neatly with the help of hands. Let it dry for some time. Apply neatly. Now I have made small roll. Now after drying, let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the domes like this one by one. Now apply glue and connect the smaller one like this. Now the pot is ready. Now join 7mm 10 strips for stand. Now attach roll in the middle. Now take another roll and take a 7mm paper strip and of 10 strips and wrap it around the roll like this. Here I am making standing part of the pot like this. Now apply glue to the tight coil like this so it cannot be removed. Now the pot is also ready. I have painted pot with the blue color in the traditional model. It is looking super cute. Now connect the pot to the pot stand like this. Now pot is ready. Now connect small roll in the middle of the pot like this. Now take a paper and just roll it like this. It will be the butter for pot. Now apply glue around the pot like this and connect butter. I have made butter with the paper. Apply glue. Now again join 3mm 30 strips and make a small plate. Apply glue inside the plate. Let it dry for some time. Now take a piece of paper and smash it like this. Just roll it and smash it like this. Here I am making butter. How to make butter with the paper? Just roll it, wrap it like this. Mash it neatly. Now apply glue as shown in the video. Just roll it like this. It will give a nice butter look like this. Now again apply glue and just roll it like this with the help of hands. Just rotate it and apply glue on the edge part like this. Now the butter is ready. Now apply glue and place the butter on the plate like this. Now the butter plate is also ready. Now here I am making little Krishna. Join 3mm 15 strips of yellow color and blue color For blue color, make small a little bit bigger dome compared to yellow color tight coil. Apply glue inside the domes. After drying, connect the two domes as shown in the video. Now join 3 mm one strip for making neck. Now connect the neck like this. Now again join 3 mm one strip. Here I am making legs for little Krishna and make little bit cone shape like this. Now apply glue inside the cones. Make two cones and connect like this as shown in the video. It will be the legs for cute little Krishna. Now again join 3 mm 4 strips and apply glue and make a dome shape and apply glue. Make total two domes. One should be smaller, one should be bigger like this. Now apply glue and connect the two domes like this. Now connect the nose and ears for the cute little Krishna. Here I am making face. Now the ears and nose are ready. Now join 3 mm one strip and make a hair for the Lord little Krishna. Now I have painted facial expression of face. It is looking super cute and very beautiful. Now here I am making peacock peak. Now take a orange color, dark blue, sky blue and like green color and rotate it like this. For 2 mm paper strip. For green color, just make cuts and open it like this. It will give a nice peacock look. Now connect this peacock frill to the little Krishna on the head part. Now the head part is ready. Now here I am making small pot. Join 3 mm 5 strips. Now again join 3 mm 4 strips and apply glue and make a dome shape. Now again join 3 mm 1 strip. Now connect these domes to the like this and I have painted small pot. Now join 3 mm 3 strip for making butter like this on the upper part of the pot. Now again join 3 mm 1 strip for making hands and make a cone shape and apply glue neatly. Make total 2 and connect hands like this as shown in the video. Now again join 3 mm 1 strip and make a small tight coil. Here I am making legs for the cute little Krishna. Take a 5 mm paper strip and just cut it like this. It will be the fingers for the cute little Krishna. Just connect it and just open it. It will be the foot for the little Krishna. Make total 2. Now connect this foot to the legs like this. Now hands is also ready. Now connect the face also. I have attached small ball chain. Now again join 3 mm 1 strip for making palm. I have attached small tight coil. It will be the butter for where little Krishna is eating butter like this. In a position you have to attach it. Now cute little Krishna is also ready. Now small pot also ready. Now Murali also ready. Small Murali, just I have rotated the paper. Now the Yashodharma is also ready. Now butter plate and pot is also ready. Pot stand. Now here I made base with the help of cardboard. Take a cardboard and connect paper around this and paint with the neatly with the traditional rangolis like this. Now connect one by one like this as shown in the method. Connect the Yashodama and connect the cute little Krishna and connect a small pot and his Murali, cute Murali like this. Now take a thread and connect with to the another stand like this. Now take another thread and place it on the hands of the Ma Yashoda like this as shown in the position. Now the Yashoda Ma with cute little Krishna die craft in quilling model is ready. It is looking super cute and very beautiful and it is very easy to make at home. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.